So you want to make a Roblox game with voice chat. Well, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do that with just 2 simple steps. First, you need to create a new base plate. Next, you go up to File and Publish the game. Click Publish As, wait for this to load, and then either click one of your previous games or click Create New. Name it and make sure Team Create is off, because that's annoying, unless you have a team that you're making it with. Then click Create. Now that we've created our game, now we're able to enable voice chat in game settings. So go over to File and click Game Settings. From here we're going to go to Other, and it's right here. Enable this, and just like that you have voice chat. I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.